didn't sit right with me. Okay, so. Okay, y'all, I'm on my way to my appointment to get this full lace wig on. It's I went and picked it up from the store the other day. I've never done fully blonde nor a full lace, so this is my first one. So we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, I'm out the door now. Okay, well, I'm off to the barbershop first to fill this thing on my candy machine. This is where my boys get their haircuts, who be getting them all handsome. Then I gotta go to the shop. I forgot. But the shop was only, when I put in my GPS, it was only 11 minutes away from me. This is not too far out of the way, so I should still be good. I just cannot do this damn weather. This South Carolina weather where it's damn cold as hell. You got a turtleneck on when you get up, and then by damn 12, 1 o'clock, you damn trying to pull everything off. Shit. But, anywho. I guess that's the struggle everywhere you go now. The damn weather. The world is going crazy. Whew. My damn seat is on. That's why I'm up. Don't judge me. My damn seat on. That's why my ass burning up. Oh, I polished my nails. Was that this morning? Yeah, this morning. I've never been this colorful before. Oof. One time I was like, oh my gosh, I can't get this color and I can't get this color because it's not going to match when I put on this and not going to match when I put on that. Now, job. You better hurry up and get your ass across the street before they be scraping you up. Shit. Ooh. So, till then, I'm almost there though. But I just thought, I was like, dang, did I get the keys? Yeah, I got the machine keys. I try to always keep them in the car now, just in case. Because one day I came all the way over here and forgot the damn key in my book sack. Shake my damn head. This is where my babies get their haircut. First String Barbershop, if you're in the Somerville area. Back here in the back. I'm stocking my candy. They be eating hell out of damn Skittles. Yes, I am. Say hi.
Yes, you know.
I ain't gonna say that.
What?
You don't take the same thing.
Here he is right here. Tell everybody hi.
Hey.
Ooh, he's so fake. Look at that.
What's up? How y'all doing?
Isn't that ironic? I tell my barber where I'm getting ready to go. Oh, her son left her jacket here. Can you take it? Nah, I done tell you I ain't never been to this damn shop now. But I'm gonna take it. If I can't find the mom that it belongs to, I'll just drop it back off here. Hell, won't hurt to try if I'm going there anyway. But This was supposed to be an exciting, video of me getting my first, full lace installed professionally or whatever, but that is so not the case. No. 360 on this video, because this is actually 3 days later of me getting this how I wanted it, because it was on a Friday when I went and got it done. And when she was completed with the look and spun me around and then looked in that mirror, I was like, you set yourself up for this. I'm the type of person who's like, okay, I couldn't even get mad because I set myself up for that or whatever. But that was on a Friday. It's now Monday night because I fought with myself and I fussed with myself and I was like, no, nigga, you did not waste no money or whatever. But I cannot take it. I couldn't take it no more. I was just feeling some type of way. I didn't like the way it looked. So I was like, you know what? I just took the whole unit off and I cleaned it with alcohol and everything, the glue and everything. And before I even got home, the back was lifting up, because this is a 360. The back was lifting up or whatever. I wasn't really caring because I'm not planning on wearing my hair up anyway or whatever. But at the same time, on my way home, really? But I took everything off. I washed the front of my hair or whatever. I have locks, so I towel washed or whatever the front of my hair, and I did everything over again. I had to run to the store this morning because that was last night when I took it off or whatever, and I was like, oh, I came to terms with it. I was like, I can't do it no more. I'm just gonna try and do it myself. So this morning when I got up, I ran to the beauty supply store. I didn't have anything. I didn't have glue, remover, so I didn't have anything because I was, pretty much depending on the salon doing everything for me. Like, I was like, I don't want to mess this up. Then go get it done professionally or whatever. Boom, easy fix. So I had to go get the glue, the remover, the stocking cap, all of that, the whole 9 yards. Wait a minute. Well, I didn't have to go get everything. All of this right here, I already had, which is that this is all you really need or whatever. But I already had all of this and wasn't even wearing lace. Why? Because I coupon. And I just had it because I got it for free. Yeah, all of this stuff was free, and I just had it sitting around. And I was like, hey, I already got that. But I went to the store and got the rest of the stuff because I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna fix this, because usually I'm good about doing stuff myself. But like I said, this is a blonde wig, and I wanted it to be, right, and I didn't want to mess it up. Plus, this was kind of pricey, but whatever. And this is a Bellatique unit. But yeah, I did everything over myself. And if you see, can you see? Did you pay attention to that hairline? If you didn't, I'll show it to you again, right here. Do you see that? When I got home, I just played with it and I just couldn't get it to do anything. I couldn't get jiggy with it. And it took me a whole night to sleep on it and say, you know what, forget it. I'm just gonna take it out or whatever. But like I said, I washed it with the purple shampoo and to get the yellow out. And I just redid everything and pretty much YouTubed on getting, doing it the correct way or whatever. And it's not perfect, but this is more believable than what the hell she had going on with my baby hairs looking like the bottom of that bra. Like I sent a picture to my sister and she had jokey jokes. I didn't think it was funny. Okay, when I first daggone seen it, looking at it. But when I seen the bottom of that bra and it looked exactly like that damn, I just bust out laughing. I was like, oh, I hate her. But yeah, this is what I came up with. I like this way better than what that was or whatever. Let me turn around. This was a 24, and let's see if you can. Yeah, this was a 24. And I got hair. But yeah, I like this way better. I flat ironed it. Yeah, I flat ironed it. But how did you do on the Instagram video? Hey, babe. But yeah, But anyway, I'm done ranting or whatever. I just wanted to share my lace front disaster, install disaster, whatever you want to call it. That was it, whatever. Not to add to the dating disasters, I got to add on to my damn hair disaster too. But anyway, thanks for watching the video, and like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you had any hair disasters, any type of disasters. Hell, I'm here for it. And be you, because only you can do it best.